Hello world, this is Ben Belize with another message of love and tough love and why you're alone. It could be a lot of reasons. But why are you watching this video that you're alone? It's probably because you don't want to be alone. Most of us don't. Some people love being alone. If that's you, kudos to you, that's beautiful. I didn't grow up that way. I was forced to be alone a lot as a child. And I had a hard time being alone because if I left my family dynamic that was broken, I had to fix it. If I left it alone, it was going to explode. I wasn't going to feel okay, and I felt like I was going to die. And so to this day, when those feelings of loneliness come up, where do we go? Me personally, I still go to that die feeling sometimes. But sometimes we just need to sit and feel those feelings. So why you're alone, if you don't want to own the feelings, if you don't love yourself, how is anybody else going to love you? Think about it. So do the work to love yourself. What do you need to honor yourself? Because if you're doing everything to honor yourself, the universe is going to see that. You're going to become so sexy and attractive, a whole and complete human being. Maybe that human being that you attract is the new you, the relationship with yourself that you've always wanted, so that you could have the freedom to stop suffering, stop feeling that feeling in the pit of your stomach that I'm not okay and I shouldn't be here and I'm not okay, I can't do this right now, I can't take it anymore, whatever the feeling is. Let that love in. If no one told you they love you today, I love you. Ben believes in you. Say it with me. You deserve, you allow, you receive. If you know someone who this message could make a difference for, please share this, please tag them, please comment below, let me know what's resonating, what's hitting you. Drop a heart if you feel me. I love you. Peace.